To hide new notification from notification panel when DND or Do Not Disturb mode is on in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find notification. Tap notification. Tap Do Not Disturb. Next, tap hide notification. And then tap the gray on off switch next to hide from notification panel until the switch turns blue to turn this option on. To see how it works, turn on Do Not Disturb. You can enable it either from the quick panel or from the Do Not Disturb menu. As the example, we will enable it from the quick panel. To do so, swipe down the top right of the screen to open up the quick panel. Find the Do Not Disturb button and then tap it to enable Do Not Disturb mode. Now, when you are receiving a new notification while Do Not Disturb mode and your screen is on, you can see that your phone will not display the new notification in the notification panel. As a note, this setting will be applied during the Do Not Disturb mode only. In other words, once the Do Not Disturb mode is off, you can see that your phone will display unread notification in the notification panel. Also, when you hide the notification from the notification panel, your phone will also automatically hide the pop-up notification and hide the status bar icon of that notification. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.